My name is Andy Funk, and I'm the CEO of Cambridge Lee Industries. Cambridge Lee was founded 75 years ago. It has its roots in the founding of the Reading Tube Corporation, which was a manufacturer of copper tubing. We were then acquired by a manufacturing-based distributor called Cambridge Lee Industries.
Copper comes in, scrap copper and pure copper, and that goes into our furnace where we melt it. And coming out of that furnace was molten copper, and that goes to a casting floor, which we cast it into big logs. Then we cut the logs into billets. The billets get moved over to our extrusion plant, and then we put it in a big extrusion press, and that takes the little billet and turns it into a really long tube in different ways with a lot of different pieces of equipment. And that makes the tube longer and skinnier. And then from there, it goes to a finish line, and the finish line will make it either into a straight length or into a coil. And that's how we sell our product to our customers.
My name is Brett Davis, and I'm a furnace operator. My responsibility is to make sure that the copper that goes in to make the pipe is in spec, and there's not too much phos, there's not too much oxygen, because if there is, it'll be a bad product. Silver gloves, the reason they're silver is it reflects the copper. The copper will hit that and bounce right off. It's just a screen, but it stops the copper from coming through to hit me.
My job requires a lot of teamwork. I don't know everything, and not one person ever does, so you have to use all the people that are in the company and all the people that work for me and that work everywhere, even on the outside, to help you solve problems.
If it's done first, second, and third shift exactly the same, we can find what mistakes are being made and how to correct them to make it a better product.
Our aspiration every day is to be the easiest company to work with and the best company to work for.